This is NDTV, and you're watching NDTV Profit in association with NSC.
Welcome back. You're with us here in Opening Fire, and there's about 3 minutes to go for start, so I want to squeeze in at least 3 names in 3 minutes if we can. Rallis India, Avinnash, should you take a look at the numbers?
I think quite disappointing, Prashant, both at the operating level as well as the net profit level. And since most of the agri companies, actually the first half is supposed to be a more remunerative period, I think it's quite obvious that probably the coming quarter is also going to be weak. So I think one would like to know what is the kind of reason for the drop in EBITDA as EBITDA margins, which is clearly a little concerning kind of sign.
Okay, and yeah, Q1 actually, April to June is the best quarter for most of these agri companies. I mean, there's a wide basket of names there, but it is the best. Eicher Motors, Avinnash, is something changing there? Because I've seen a downgrade from Deutsche. I think yesterday, Kiran has come out with a downgrade, and before that, I don't remember which one, but one of the other brokers had also come out with a downgrade. Something changing, or is just the run-up?
No, I think purely the run-up, Prashant. I think the stock has run up pretty fast, and probably that is the reason valuations have become quite expensive. I think clearly, if you look at the profit growth, 40% YOY profit growth is not bad. But I think the street was probably expecting something more considering the kind of price rise. And I would be surprised, if clearly from a medium to long-term angle, the business model doesn't change. In fact, the management has gone on record saying that, the bullet business is growing very buoyantly. I think they're planning to put at least 10 new dealers every month and, tapping tier 2 and tier 3 markets. So I think they have a very strong product lineup, very less competition in that space. So I would say that, even if the stock corrects, the business is not going to go anywhere. It's going to remain pretty strong. So probably longer term prospects are good, but in the short term, probably the stock could come under some profit booking pressure.
Okay, Eicher there. There's about 20 seconds to go, so I won't be able to squeeze in the last third name there, but I'll come back to you in just a bit, Avinnash, as soon as we have the prices on our screens.